I'm in the city.
I'm in the car.
I'm on the street.
I heard the bird say.
I heard the bird say. Honestly, it was more of a rapid squeal delivered to our senses. Gracefully.
Do you want to know something?
Yeah.
Never mind.
In the morning shine and the winter breeze, we are reminded how
We are all breathing in the land of the beating heart. Bushwick Market is covered in snow.
but it's still elegant for tea.
Hold up!
We never introduced the dancers.
This is SHA and SHA.
Their dance skills will please our bird.
Oh, no. They take direct orders from the bird. Stop! Revolving doors are for Manhattan.
As for Bushwick,
Innovative, individual,
artistic,
expressive,
industrial,
entrepreneurial,
beauty,
questionable,
fashionable,
community,
cat,
dog,
park,
risk,
artichoke,
dancing Bushwick,
MDZ,
wondrous,
Wonder.
nut,
Williamsburg,
charismatic.
and charming.
Welcome to the Florida Sauce. Welcome to the Florida Sauce.
The nature is just seeping out of the pipe.
And the mountains are not for the faint of heart.
Is the bird up in the mountains?
So, what do you like about Food Bazaar?
Well, Food Bazaar for me is like taking a walk in nature. And I do it backwards.
Ew.
We're chilling with the eggs.
And sweating with the spices.
A bison. So, what do you not like about Bushwick? Oh, very well. Well, what do you like about Bushwick then?
Oh yeah, what I like about Bushwick is that it mixes the industry and the human in a profound way. Go! Stop.
What?
Go! Okay, a little more better. Stop.
Time for a show.
Honestly, I'm inspired. I mean, look. Wow. Doorman dancers.
Oh, can't touch them. Everything's virtual these days. So, as I was saying about this bird, she is misunderstood.
People in Bushwick will go round and round and round and round and round and round and round in circles, trying to find the heart of this bird. If that happens to you, just
Stop.
and then keep it moving.
Yeah, that's right.
Bum, 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 bum,
You might go down because the path
bum,
might be
bum,
up.
bum, 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 bum.
That's why we put felt pillows on our branches.
We're standing at the intersection of Star Street and Urban.
If you've never been here before, you can schedule a tour with our dancers. If you know the deal, show us your reel.
And we will show you ours. Boom! Have a seat.
Here comes my friend. Will you be my friend?
Only if the bird agrees.
Okay, I will show you all of my beauty.
So where do you live in Bushwick?
We live in the intersection of Bushwick, Weeksville, and Crown Heights. Yeah.
We actually have a summer house in Bed-Stuy. With love, we flow forward to the chopping hour. Oh gosh. Yeah.
So what exactly did you hear from the bird?
Oh, right. Let me grab that for you. This one is delicate. My wish is that
The bird, the keeper of all truths and ideals in Bushwick, confides in you as she confided in us.
so come close.
In Bushwick, everyone here creates their own definitions of beauty and is wildly unafraid to express their good damn individuality and beautifully divine
Selves.